way of thinking, then you need not to show anyone, but it will express, it will blossom on your face, it will blossom. Namaste, this is Agori Tantric Amarnath Kal Rudranath Kal Bhairav Akshanand Brahmastra Guruji. I am here to give you, it's really important, the real changes, if it comes in your body, if you're in your soul, in your way of thinking, then you need not to show anyone, but it will express, it will blossom on your face, it will blossom on the words you speak, the way you speak, the way you express your feelings. This could involve addressing issues that contributed to the breakup and showcasing improvements. Be patient. Rebuild a relationship takes time. Be patient and realistic about the timeline for potential reconciliation. This is the most important thing we all do together. We don't have patience. We don't have the time. We are afraid of losing your ex. If you're really afraid, give me a call. I'll help you through spiritual rituals so that you'll get your ex back immediately within a small amount of the period. Seek a professional advice. Consider seeking guidance from a relationship coach or therapist. I am happy to give you that I am the relationship coach for more than 30 years. I've been doing the therapy for so many countless people around the globe. Professional advice can provide insights and tools to navigate the complexities of relationships dynamics. I'm not just promising you, but I have so many couples who are really happy in this world because of my rituals. Respect the boundaries set by your ex. If they have asked for 1 month, give them 1 month. If they have asked for 1 year also, you can give them, but keep an eye on them. If they express a desire to remain apart, or if they are wishing to move on. Honor their wishes. Remember, there are no guarantees in matters of the heart, and the outcome may not always align with your desires. It's crucial to prioritize your well-being and be open to the possibility that the best path forward may involve personal growth and moving on independently, because these days the people are so fast and the social media is so fast, not even a single second takes to move on. So what I wanted to suggest you is just do contact me. I'll get your ex back perfectly in a very short time and in a very small money. Okay, so thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, try to share what you felt and share my video as much as possible. Thank you very much. Namaste.